Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. It's Monday, May 6th. The market just closed. I just finished streaming. I streamed for about 2 hours, and now I got to make my update video. So here we are in the Apex account. I started the day with four funded accounts. Also started the day still not wondering really, because I knew it was going to happen eventually, but waiting for my lucky number 57 account payout request, my first ever payout request since I started this prop firm trading journey back in October. I was waiting for this to update, and sure enough, it did. I didn't even notice at first, but it was halfway through my trading day that I noticed that, as you can see here, I was at $2,655, and it stayed there. I requested on the second. So what was that? Yesterday was the fifth, fourth. So I think I requested on Thursday, I think. And as it was still showing as pending, my trailing max drawdown was still at $2,655, and I requested 2,000. So the only, one of the ways I would know is that the trailing max drawdown is $2,000 less, and that was the case. Finally, I noticed that today, which is awesome because I'm officially a funded trader, right? I could receive my first payment. I know I've just been a prop firm trader up until this point. Now, since I got my first payment, and here it is. I'm in my Apex account. It is marked as approved, so they will be dumping $2,000 into my account at some point in the coming days. I'll let you know when that happens, so you guys know I got it officially. I'm sure it's coming at this point. So yeah, and then I was going to start trading this account today anyway, and trade micros. I literally took one trade, and I just hated the way this market was going. It wasn't the first account I traded in. I just hated the way the market was today. It was literally moving around like the overnight, but it was worse. It was just super choppy. We did grind up a little bit. I just had I didn't have a great day trading. But I got another $12 today. Whoop-de-doo. Tomorrow I'm going to trade micro some more because I do have a $667 trailing max drawdown, which isn't a ton of room. Very workable, but I'm not going to take any shots with minis. I'm going to wait. I'll build it up with micros. My goal is to maybe if I could get my trailing max drawdown to about 1,000 trading micros, then I will switch over to minis, is what I usually like to trade. I don't like trading micros all that much personally, but that's what I will do with lucky number 57. I would like to continue to get payouts with this over and over and over again and get to 3 months so I could really push it and build it. But, I don't want to get too ahead of myself. Like I said, I just secured my first ever payout. So, I got a long ways to go. But anyway, so let's move on to the next one. This one is how I started the day. Fucking awful. So whatever. I nuked the account. Kind of went full tilt. It just, like I said, the market went against me, and I made the mistake. I kind of fell into some bad habits. I said this so many times, but like I said, I'm only human, so I'm not going to be perfect every day. It just didn't work out with this account. So this account's fucking done, unfortunately, because I was on, what day was I on with that? 63 was on, oh, they're not even showing anymore. Wow. 63 was on like day 3 or 4 or something like that. Why is it only showing this one? Did I nuke 64? I thought maybe I still had this, but apparently, if my trailing max drawdown is 75, I should still have it, but I guess I don't. I don't know. But this one was up. I actually got up on this, and I didn't lock in the gains, and then like I said, this was a crazy market, and then this wasn't a full tilt situation like 63. It was just I didn't lock in gains. I actually played a pivot point rejection perfectly, and I don't know. It was whatever. I'm over it. Water under the bridge. I thought I was going to be able to nurse this one back, but apparently it's not there anymore. So I guess I don't have it anymore. Although my trailing max drawdown says $75, so I don't know what's up with that. I should still have it, but I guess I don't. I don't know. Whatever. I thought I nuked it. I did thought I nuked it. I was under the impression that I nuked it, and then I went back and looked, and it said 75, so I thought maybe I still had it, but I guess not. And then 65, like I said, this was a crazy day. The fact that I was able to get up $159, I was perfectly happy with that. I was actually up like 115, 120, and then there was another opportunity like during the last hour, the after, like after the regular market's closed, and we were in the last hour of trading with futures. I took another $40. So 159, whatever. And then I added an eval, and even that, I was up $1,500, and I fucked it up. So whatever. I'll try again tomorrow. Although, if you look at the calendar, today's the 6th. The next withdrawal period is the 15th to the 20th. If I were to push another eval over to that tomorrow, then Wednesday would be day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I wouldn't even be in line to secure another payout until the 1st of June. So I don't even know if I'm not even sure if I'm going to get another Apex eval for now. I guess I'm at 2 funded accounts. I got 57 and 65. Maybe I just stick with that for now. I'll probably get another eval because I just won't try to push it over in one day. I don't know. We'll see. The 1 day to pass doesn't really matter at this point. You don't need to push it in one day because you're not going to fall into the next withdrawal period. You won't be able to request a withdrawal anyway if you were to get an account funded like tomorrow. But anyway, that's my Apex story. Not the greatest. Like, I'm mixed bag, obviously, because my first ever payout has been approved. My first ever payout is approved. I'm getting that money. I still have 57 and I have 65. Really, I'm really annoyed about these. If I could go back, it's not how I drew up my day. I could tell you that much. I wasn't expecting to nuke these. I was expecting to get them up a couple $100 and move on to the next one, but it never happened. So, whatever. Can't be perfect every day. I've been good for a while. So it is what it is. I still have my funded accounts. I'll just be more careful. And today, like you talk to anyone who does this stuff, they'll tell you that today was just a fucked up day. The market was weird. We chopped for like an hour and a half, and then finally the market pushed up the last half hour of the day, or even closer to the end of the day. So anyway, hey, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please give a subscribe. I stream every single day during regular trading hours, and I also stream during the overnight, like late, if I'm trading. So you don't want to miss that. We all hang out. We're all in it for the same reason. We're all pushing and encouraging each other. There's a good group of people that show up to these streams, and and you can watch me stream like a fucking degenerate, which is always fun and entertaining. And also, if you are looking to get started with Apex and you haven't yet, click on the link in the description below and use my coupon code. It'll get you 80% off any size eval, and they do have 1 day to pass, so I don't recommend you try to pass it 1 day. You can if you want to. And if you already have an Apex account, you could use my coupon code for the next eval you get, and you'll still get the same deal, and you'll be supporting me in the channel, which I would appreciate. If not, no big deal. You don't have to use my coupon code. We're cool no matter what. And that's all I got for you today. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon.